Hi everybody! I'm going to show you about this new way to record videos while you can see both yourself and your screen at the same time. I found out about this program through a program I'm doing online, and I think it's easier to use than QuickTime Player and iMovie combined. There's not as many cool effects, but there's some pluses and minuses, and I'll go through those with you. The first thing I really love about this program, and this is it, it's called ScreenCast-O-Matic, is that I can pause the video and restart it as many times as I need to without actually taking time in the video to do so. And I can make myself both big and small while I have my screen showing as well. So the way that this works is it's called ScreenCast-O-Matic/Screen Recorder. And you don't need to sign up or log in or anything. I've been using this for weeks now, and this is always my home base. I've just bookmarked this page. And I just clicked Launch Free Recorder, and when you click it for the first time, it's going to make you download the software. It's very easy. You'll have to check your system preferences, though, to make sure that you can access your camera and your microphone. But once it's all set up, you should be ready and raring to go. So as you can see, and as you saw probably on the last part, when I move my mouse around, it highlights for me so you can more easily follow my mouse, and then if I don't touch my mouse, then you can't see it at all. So that's good. Another thing is that when you click on it, so this border will come up, and I took a screenshot of what it looks like on my end, but this border is around my screen right now, and it's what you will capture, and then your little video will be down here in the bottom. And then you can have just your screen or just a webcam or both. And right now I'm using both. And these are some fancy things. You don't have to worry about any of it because it's a free program, so it doesn't let you do anything fancy. Anyways, and like I said before, I can pause my video and restart it to adjust something on my screen or get a glass of water or do whatever I need to do. And the video will just keep rolling once I start it again, as if it's nice and clean and easy to do. So I don't have to physically edit it myself. I can just pause and start whenever I'm ready. Getting it set up might be the hardest thing, but once it's set up, you can make videos really quickly. So I made this IXL tutorial video for my students, and it really took me just, let's see, 3 minutes and 34 seconds. Total time, probably 4 minutes to make this video. Very simple and easy to use. There are some glitches though, like if I try to full screen something, my border disappears and I might not be able to pause and play. So there's some things, and also like you can see now it's not very fancy with no like fancy intro or anything like that. But either way, it is easy to use, and it will also allow you to edit it when you're done, and it'll upload it directly to YouTube for you. So there's only one step. You make the video, and then second step, upload to YouTube. You're done. So I hope you enjoy it, and let me know if you have any questions.